All right, guys, to wrap up our work with ocean sunlight, you are going to do a little project today. So, we have been learning about how there are many layers to the ocean and how each of these layers has a different animal that is eating a different thing. So, when you are looking through the slides today, you're going to see that they are organized in different layers of the ocean. So, if I click on the first ocean slide, I will see that this is the area called the sunlight zone of the ocean. And the animals that are typically found in the sunlight zone are listed here, and there are possibly many more. When you click on one of these animals, you are going to see that it has a website attached. This is going to be a place that you can learn about this particular animal. So you're going to go through these layers of the ocean, these zones of the ocean, and you're going to look for an animal that you would like to learn a little bit more about. And once you've picked your animal, you're going to read about the animal. You're going to also pay very close attention to the way that your animal looks, because what you'll do for your project is you will create your animal. That could be by drawing a picture yourself on paper with just some coloring tools. That could be by getting some items you have at your house. Maybe you have some Play-Doh, maybe you have some other craft supplies, and you're going to recreate your animal the best that you can. And you're going to take a picture of your animal that you recreated, and you're going to add it to this slide. But you're also going to tell what you learned by sharing 3 facts about your animal. And that is why reading about your animal is also important. So when you are clicking on your animal and you use the website that is attached, that's how you're going to be able to find the 3 facts that you need to know about your animal so that you can add it to the slide at the end. 3 facts about my animal. So I hope that you'll have fun. I hope that you'll also check out an animal that is new to you. Most of us are pretty familiar with sharks or maybe jellyfish, but you might notice an animal that you have no idea anything about them, and that would be a great way to choose an animal. But you can also just choose one that you think is pretty cool. So the directions are actually on slide number 2. So again, step 1 is to browse through the different slides to see the different zones. Step 2 is to select an animal and look at the website so you can learn about your animal. Step 3 is to create your animal. Step 4 is to take a picture of your creation. And step 5 is to write 3 facts you learned about your animal. I can't wait to see what you choose and what you make.